back to our channel. So today we have a sale Zara haul. For some of you guys that may not know, we actually work in Zara, so it was pretty hard not to resist.
No, yeah.
So yeah, we did a little looking around, picked up some really cool bits, and we're going to show you what we got. Before we get into the video, I just want to cut in and say, how do they do that? Is it like that?
Not like that.
I just want to cut in and say we are doing a whole sale week, month, whatever. We've got so many videos coming out of just sales. So I just got a whiff of cocoa butter. Have you got cocoa butter on?
No, but I did wear it today.
I can smell it. I can smell it.
Oh.
Alright. We are doing a sale week sort of thing, or maybe 2 weeks. So in the next couple of videos, we have got some really juicy ones.
We don't know what each other's like picked out, so that makes it even more exciting.
Yeah,
so
it's like a haul from you to me to you.
And then if
to
I like
everyone
your
else.
stuff, I can go and grab it in maybe in a different colour.
Yeah.
And then
There is one thing that we got the same, so should we
show
start
that
with
first?
that? Yeah.
Okay. So the first things we picked up is actually something that I saw, and I was like, I
It's a bit of
love
us,
you.
isn't it?
Yeah, and then I told Zeliha, and then we're basically twinning it. So, and it's so affordable. It's this cute little bag.
Cute.
They do this in like a yellow.
It's like a yellow snake print.
Yeah, which if that's your vibe, they also do that. But I really like the plain, simple, creamy colour.
Do you want to open that and show the zip? Because I thought the zip was so cute. Not the zip, sorry, the chain.
Oh, they have a chain.
Yeah. That's quite cute, isn't it?
Yeah, that is so cute.
It's a really cute, dainty little chain.
So basically it's got like the chain on the end and then the normal strap, but on both sides. This bag was $17.99, and I just think I love the style of this because I really like the Balenciaga and the Louis Vuitton bag that looks like this.
Yeah.
So I like this one, and I can't believe how cheap it is.
Yeah.
So this is going to be our new bag.
Right guys, before we get into the video any further, I will link everything down below. I'm so sorry, we're like the slackest people ever for that. But if I don't link it, it means it's sold out, but obviously I will state that as well. But yeah, love that.
So we both picked out this very beautiful dress. I love white shirt dresses. I just think they look so nice in the summer, and I just think with a nice cute bag and some nice sandals, and then maybe a hat or just something.
Yeah.
It would just look really nice.
Yeah.
And I did try this on, but I don't think it was see-through. But even if it is see-through, we could just wear like
cycling shorts.
Yeah, or like
like a camisole underneath.
is that what they're called?
Yeah.
It's not called a camisole.
Here it is.
It's called a slip.
Yeah, or a camisole.
Oh, I thought it was
A
called
slip
a slip.
is the loose ones, a camisole is the really tight ones.
Okay, either one of those, because it was that nice. Like, I loved it.
Yeah.
I just think it's so pretty, and I think it looks really like, how do I describe it? Very sophisticated.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You go with a bit
But
of
also
colour.
really pretty looking as well.
Yeah.
Because of course you have the little frill at the bottom. Me and Ayse are so into frills at the moment. But anyways, how much was this?
$19.99, and we both
Bargain.
picked them up in an extra small. I love it. It's so cute. The first thing I picked up separately were actually these shorts. I thought these were really cute, and I just think I always buy so many tops, so many dresses, but I never buy many bottoms because I tend to stick with basic jeans.
See, I'm the opposite to you. I
buy
always buy
more bottoms.
tops. No, tops and not bottoms.
No, that's what I just said. I just said I tend to buy more tops
Oh,
than
so
bottoms.
clearly I weren't listening.
Okay, well you might as well just leave. No, yeah, I tend to buy more tops. So I thought, I'm going to buy more bottoms, and that is my aim. So I saw these shorts, and I thought this would look so cute with any kind of top.
Them.
Because this top, by the way, is also from Zara, and it's actually in the sale also.
It's
Just
$9.99 that one.
And they do it in white.
I'll
as
link
well.
it down below.
Yeah, because it's so cute. But yeah, I just loved these. I love paper bag style shorts. I don't know if I'm 100% on the belt.
No, I'm digging that.
But I just think
feel
it's
like-
something different.
Yeah, imagine if you had that sort of colour hat
Yes,
or bag or
yes,
shoes.
Yes,
That
was
just like a very like
Simple
basic
top.
thing, yeah, because
We're
the trousers,
basic,
yeah,
so-
the basic girls.
Oh, I love these, and I just think, you know, I've seen so many people pick these up, and I'm like, yes.
How
I
much
made a
were
good
they?
choice. So these were $17.99, but yeah, I just love them, and I love the colour. I feel like it's gonna make my tan pop in the summer. So yeah,
I
colour, summer, it rhymed.
Did it? I feel like I can see what vibes you're going for.
Yeah,
for
I just
summer.
think,
Yeah.
and I tried this on with another item, which is a shirt, and it looks really nice tucked in. I just think it looked really cute.
Exciting.
Love that.
Right, so I will show you a cute skirt.
That is
I picked
so
up.
nice.
And I just thought,
I looked at that, but they didn't have my size.
well, they did this time. How cute is that?
Yes, that is such a us
And I was like, I
skirt.
wasn't gonna get it, Ayse, and then I was like, go out your comfort zone. Like, do you know what I mean? Because I don't
Yeah.
usually wear stuff like this. And I just thought this was so cute. So I can't actually wait to try this on and see what I compare it with, because I think it's gonna look really
It's gonna look really nice, you know, with like a white top. I feel like, I don't know, yeah, a white top I would say.
Yeah, like, I don't know, do you know what I mean?
Top. Oh, it's so pretty. I love the little detailing at the bottom. I think it looks really nice. And I
think
this.
it would either look nice with like little slip-on shoes, or I think it would look nice with little wedge stands,
tie-up ones.
you know, like Lizzie Millen style.
Yeah,
so
that would
I
look
like
so
that.
cute. How much was that?
$19.99.
Nice.
So yeah, love that. What you got next? Oh,
What
a
a
shirt.
shot. Okay, so I really liked this dress. This is a small, and it was a tiny bit big for me, like up here. But I liked it that much that, number one, I thought I'd get it just to show you guys, because I know you guys would love it too. And also, I picked it up because I'm gonna try and make it work.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna retry it on.
We'll see. Let's see what it looks like on afterwards. Oh, that's so nice, Aisha. That is so a bit of us.
And it's like it's just a bit
puffy
big
shoulders.
here. It's so annoying,
Yeah.
but I'm gonna try and make it work.
Yeah.
Let me know what you guys think. Like, when you can see it, just tell me if you think it looks good, if it looks big. Just be honest, like, I don't mind, because I love it with some like tie-up shoes. You know those gold ones that we got with my little thing?
Yeah,
they all look so cute.
Yes.
It was $19.99, and this one is in a size small.
The next thing I picked up was a jumpsuit.
Okay.
And I just thought this was quite cool. It ties up like that.
That is cute.
So it's round the neck.
Is this the one where you're gonna get the legs taken up?
Yeah, if it's too long,
it does look a bit long, doesn't it? I love like that it goes round the neck. I love that style.
Yeah.
I think it will look
I don't
really
think
nice
it will be
on.
too long, but yeah, I probably would get this if I like it on shortened.
That would
I
look
just
so
thought
nice in the
I like the
evening.
linen. No, also in the day.
No, holiday, yeah.
Yeah.
I just mean like, you know, on holiday. That looks so nice.
And I like the fact that it's got like a sort of tie-up belt, put like nice little bow in the middle there, and also there. I just thought that was quite pretty, and I liked it.
It's a lovely colour.
Very different. It looks expensive, and I don't know. Like, do you like that? Are you feeling
Yeah, no, I do.
Would you wear that?
I would wear it, yeah.
Yeah.
I love it. I think, I love the material.
Yeah, I love
it.
linen.
So
Like
nice.
that sort of nice material. I love it.
You got it in an extra small.
I
and
did.
It was $19.99.
A lot of the jumpsuits and dresses at the moment are
$19.99.
$19.99. But yeah, so love that.
Just gonna say, most of my items are white. Right, so next onto my another white item. So I absolutely love wearing white shirts. So I picked myself up a new fresh white shirt, because you can never go wrong with a white shirt.
Yeah.
I feel like they look so nice with everything.
Especially denim, like denim
Yes.
shorts and that.
Yeah, denim, it look nice with this, denim jeans, a denim skirt, or just the shorts I've just shown you. But I also think with like pretty skirts as well. So like your skirt,
Tucked
I just
in,
feel like it
buttons
looks so-
open like you said.
Yeah.
Wow.
It would
yeah.
look so cute.
Yeah.
It was only $12.99 for this shirt, and I just think, you know, I know I'm going to get a lot of wear out of this. I know I can wear it through the summer, spring, and even autumn, because I feel like it's one of those staple pieces that you should have in
You
your
should always have
wardrobe.
a white wardrobe. Yeah, you should always have a white wardrobe.
I mean, I've got a white wardrobe, literally. That's
I meant
what I
a
bought.
white shirt in your wardrobe.
Yes.
I found two. We're actually in the process of moving out, and I found so many new stuff, and I'm like, damn. I found these shorts, and I was like, okay, I want these too then, shall I? Right, so look at these.
Oh my god, they are so
I know.
cute.
I saw these and I was like, hello.
Where are you
How
been hiding
cute.
in the stock
I
room?
know, I never even saw these. I don't even know if we've
I
ever
love
had
them. I love the colour.
I know, they're so beautiful.
Yeah,
aren't they? I was
they're
like,
so
oh my
nice.
god. I think it's one of the best things that I've picked up.
Mm.
I just thought
They're cool, different.
they're a different take on like your classic denim.
Mm-hmm.
So I was just like, oh, I love that.
That looks so nice.
So nice at the back.
I love the colour. I love that colour on.
It's nice.
I think it's so nice.
For $12.99, which are absolute bargain.
Woo! They are cute. Oh, I forgot about these.
I think there's more. I saw some
I
on the
want
rail
these.
upstairs. So they might be waiting until some girl maybe.
Oh,
put them
I
on.
love
don't know.
them.
They're nice, aren't they?
They're
I
so
love it.
nice. I love the rips on them. Sometimes I think it's a
thought
bit
that.
much, but they're nice.
Yeah, I thought these were so cute, and I just
Yes.
imagined tan legs in these bad boys would look so good. Do you know what I
Yes,
mean?
yeah.
Like even with this top, is a vibe, right?
And even with this top, is a vibe.
Yeah. So I'm feeling them.
They're
They're
so
nice.
cute. They make these ones look boring. These are just normal mum
I
shorts.
just like the way they look at the back, like just
Yeah.
even that. Just
That looks so sleek
nice.
and
It
shiny.
does.
Oh wait, so you're gonna know they're from Zara. Oh, I love her shorts. Turn around. Oh, they're from
They're from
Zara.
Zara.
Do these have Zara on it?
It says authentic denim by Traff, but not everyone knows what that means. It's a collection in Zara.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, I love these. These were also $12.99 as well. There was quite a few like shorts and skirts and that. So check them out. You know, summer's coming. I mean,
Gonna have to get them.
yeah, I don't know if you're gonna get these.
Yeah, I love them.
you?
Yeah. I think them with my new white blazer would look well nice.
Oh. They're very different colour for Ayse, guys. Look, blue.
Oh, electric blue. Corbett blue.
Oh, I thought it was called electric blue.
No, it probably is. It is probably electric blue, but my bikini top, which looks exactly the same, is called Corbett.
Okay.
Is that right?
You might be just making up.
Oh, I don't know. But yeah, so basically it's just these plain, simple, wide leg trousers, and they're ribbed, and they fit so nice. They are so comfy.
Are they good length?
Yeah, just tiny bit long, but like long enough to just like walk in. You're not like scraping along the floor, like you're all good. But I think they'll look really nice on, like I said, on holiday, just to slip on with a bikini top, will look cute.
Yeah,
that's what I mean. Like I have a
vibes.
matching bikini top to go with these. And I just think, you know, when I'm walking down, wear my bikini top and bikini bottoms, slip these bad boys on, walk along.
Oh my god, I wasn't going to tell you. I wasn't going to tell you, but I found a bikini of yours still with tags on it in your suitcase. Have you seen it?
In my suitcase?
It was like a little suitcase. Have you seen it? I put it downstairs.
Oh yeah, the white bloody blue one.
Yeah, I was like,
yeah, from H&M.
Is that mine?
No, it's mine.
Is that mine?
No, you always think everything's
Is that mine? No, I was like, oh, I can't take it. It's yours.
Wait, look, I just think this with some nice black sandals, just, you know, nipping out. Gonna wear these bad boys. You know, what I'm gonna wear when I nip to the shops? Open the drawer, find these Corbett blue trousers.
Electric blue.
Corbett blue. Whack these bad boys on, so comfy, and you just walk along.
Trust me, if you see these, please try them on because they are so comfy.
These are $12.99 as well, so they were so cheap. And I picked mine up in a size small, and they fit snug. Lovely.
Okay, so this is the last thing I picked up, and I just thought this was so beautiful.
So beautiful.
I saw someone return this, and I was like, excuse me, what? This was ages ago, by the way, and I was like, I'm definitely going to keep my eye on that, and I did.
Lovely. You work in ladies' wear. I never steal this. I just look at all the kids stuff.
It's a jumpsuit, and it's like that. I'm going to get it hemmed up though, if this fits beautifully.
That is
on an evening,
yes,
on holiday,
yes,
with this,
yes,
so beautiful.
That's
it's part
my
of their
favourite
new
thing you bought.
collection, which is You Are Invited, and I love that whole collection.
Yes.
You know, this was $49.99, but I got it for $19.99.
Oh my god!
Serious?
That's my favourite thing that you picked up.
Yeah.
100%. That is so nice. Even if you get one thing out of this whole haul, I think it's gonna be that one because that is so nice.
I probably will need to get it hemmed up.
Best
for last.
Oh my god! I nearly forgot a bloody item. I literally lifted up my bag. No, it's not. I've got one more. Got some shoes. I literally lifted up. Oh yeah! Why is this
the bag
still
black?
heavy?
You didn't see.
Okay, so I picked up these beautiful black shoes. You probably can't see them whilst I'm holding them, but don't worry. There'll be a try-on clip right here. But these look so cute on, and I love the fit. They fit really snug. And what I love about these shoes, sorry, you're asking me, can I walk in them?
I don't know. Like sometimes you get but sometimes you get them a little too and you can't walk in them.
What?
What? I don't know.
Anyway, yes, I can walk in these. But as I was saying, what I love about these, right? You go over here. Sometimes get sweaty feet.
Oh yeah, you
and
do.
I'm not ashamed
She's
of
got
that.
sweaty feet.
I don't know what. Not always.
Yeah,
just
shut up. Always.
No.
She's like,
sweaty
you've got
feet
shoes
now.
with me because my feet are
Listen,
sweating.
when we're walking around for quite a while, my feet sweat a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why. I don't get sweaty hands, just feet. And what I love about these, and my shoes, my feet just slip out. But what I loved about these is I've got a barrier. My feet ain't going nowhere.
You're my feet in.
But these are really, really cute. Like, generally, I love them. The style of these are beautiful. And I got these in a size 3, if you're wondering. And they're $22.99. Okay, so that was everything that we picked up this time from Zara. I mean, I'm not promising there's not going to be another one because I love a lot of things.
Wait, maybe a week or so, you'll see another one.
Yeah,
probably.
literally. We're obsessed. And I think the Zara sale is...
Wait, we actually do already have stuff on hold.
I know.
I already still have some stuff on hold.
And I know I want to go and get this top in the white, and I want those denim shorts. So yeah, there's quite a few things that we want. I'm obsessed with a lot of things in Zara, so if you haven't nipped in there, I know it's queues are horrible, and I know it's very busy in there,
but it's worth it. And things go so quick, and a lot of people always say that, so make sure you get in there and buy it, honestly, because things sell out all the time.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, you know what to do. Smash it a big thumbs up.
Leave any comments down below of any other videos you'd like us to do. For sure, we would do that for you.
And until next time, we'll catch you in our next video. Why are you trying to say it with me?
Thanks for watching. Bye.